Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best baby products that make your life easier. Today, we have something truly amazing, the best Frida Baby Nose Spray and so much more. We're talking about the Frida Baby 3-in-1 Nose, Nail, and Ear Picker. This nifty tool is designed to make baby grooming as easy and safe as possible, from clearing out baby's boogers to cleaning earwax and trimming nails. When you first lay eyes on the Frida Baby 3-in-1 Picker, you'll immediately notice its compact design and multi-purpose function. It's a simple tool that can be used for 3 different tasks: cleaning your baby's nose, cleaning their ears, and trimming their nails. It's a real game changer for new parents. If you're tired of struggling with a traditional nasal aspirator or using an old-fashioned nail clipper, this is the answer you've been waiting for. The tool features 4 flexible tips, each designed for a different job. There's a dedicated tip for the nose, which helps you gently scoop out any boogers without discomfort. Then, there's the ear picker, which is just the right size to safely clean your baby's ears, and the nail cleaner that helps you trim their tiny nails without any risk of cutting too deep. Each tip has a parent-proof stopper to ensure you never go too far, keeping your baby safe at all times. One of the best things about this tool is the way it's designed for both babies and toddlers. The tips are easy to attach, and the tool itself is very ergonomic, making it comfortable for parents to use. Plus, it's portable and comes with a convenient storage case, so you can take it anywhere you go, whether you're traveling or simply out and about. Another feature that stands out is how easy it is to clean. After each use, just make sure to properly clean the tips, and they'll be good to go for the next round of booger busting, ear cleaning, or nail trimming. It's a quick and simple process, so you can keep everything hygienic without much effort. This Frida Baby tool is definitely a must-have in your baby care routine. It's ideal for parents who want a safe and efficient way to manage their baby's grooming needs without hassle. No more fighting with boogers or worrying about sharp tools when you can rely on this all-in-one tool that makes life easier for both you and your little one. If you're looking for the best Frida Baby Nose Spray, this 3-in-1 nose, nail, and ear picker is a fantastic choice that'll help you tackle all your baby's grooming needs in one go. So, if you want to make your parenting journey smoother, grab yours today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome product reviews here at Product Critique. Thanks for watching.